There's a whole story behind it, so I'll tell you in a little bit. Hey folks, it's Dax, aka the Model 3 guy. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Anyways, V9 launched today, and I'm the loser. Yeah, there's a long story behind this, and it all goes back to one of my buddies that I met on the Model 3 Canadian group on Facebook, the one I run there. I met him there, and then we I don't want to get into a long, drawn-out story about this, folks, but in a nutshell, we had a competition, a little friendly gentleman's bet back when we were waiting for our Model 3s, back, I guess, early May, late April, and we just bet like a 6-pack of beer to see, well, actually, no, you know what, it was just a friendly bet to see who would get delivery of their Model 3 first, because we had reserved on the exact same date, we had confirmation on the exact same date, we picked almost the identical car, VIN numbers were pretty close, so it was just a matter of time to see who would get their deliveries first. And as it happened, oh, this is Ryan, by the way, I'll show you Ryan here. As it so happened, we had the exact same delivery date, which was May 30th at the International Center, and we had the, like, I think we were half an hour appointments in between, so we were both there at the same time, basically, and we both waited for 4 hours, and we both basically closed the place because of the organization or lack thereof at the International Center. But, you know, we kept our patience. Anyways, so we got a case of, not a case of beer, we got a 6-pack of beer that we ended up, it was supposed to go to me because I was supposed to get it first, and then we ended up both waiting so long that we split the beers, 3 beers each. So, fast forward to version 9, back about 3 weeks ago on, I think it was September 20th, if I'm not mistaken, we decided, and it was one of these unofficial, we didn't even have to talk about it much, let's see who's going to get version 9 first. Because, you know, as we all know, it's long awaited and highly anticipated. We want to see who'd get version 9 first. And, well, I lost. Check it out. I won't go into the whole huge thing, but check out what happened.
Well, Dax, 7 a.m. Just happened to look at my phone, and guess what? There's a little something waiting. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me just turn up the music there. Play We Are the Champions. You know this song, Dax? Ah, yes. Install now. Talk to you later, buddy. I'll take that beer when I see you.
Okay, Ryan, I don't believe I'm doing this so early. My neighbors are gonna kill me. It is just after 7. I got yours. Let's see what I got here. Hey, well, looky here, too. You're the only person that got one. This should be version 9, folks. If you're wondering why I'm talking to Ryan, Ryan wins. There's a whole story behind it, so I'll tell you in a little bit. So let's just see. Turn this fan off. Install now. Well, let's see, Ryan. Let's see who wins this little battle. Mr. Ryan, you might have lost here. So we all know it is 7:30 exactly. Close. It's doing something. Not sure what it's doing. It's making some noises. Oh no, he's sending me pictures. I can see it on my screen. Okay, let me stop this and go check the pictures. I'll be right back. God. Okay, Ryan, you might have won this one. It's saying to install again. And it's 7:32. And I suspect the pictures you're sending me are of your screen. Okay, we'll come back and see what happens in a little bit. Let me check Ryan's pictures. I think I know what it is. God darn it. And just as I send that last text to Ryan, this comes up. Version 9. Son of a... Okay, I lose the 6-pack of beer. What Ryan doesn't know is I don't drink beer anymore. But we won't tell him that. And we now have version 9. Let's take a look. I'm not going to show you guys all this because you've seen this before. It's so many videos. But I got... What the hell? Pussycat dolls down here? I don't think so. Play Loser by Beck. This one's for you, Ryan. This is my swan song, I guess you could call it. My speech, my, what's the saying? Something speech? Okay, Ryan, this part's for you. My neighbors are gonna kill me. I'm cranking this at 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna get you your goddamn beer. Going right now.